Hello children, it's Teacher Dolphins here again. Today we are going to learn about simple past tense. Let's take a look. What does simple past tense means? Simple past tense is used to describe a completed activity that happened in the past. In other words, it started in the past and ended in the past. Let's take a look at some examples of simple past tense. The first sentence, my father washed his car yesterday. Yesterday shows you that this activity was already past. So the verb in this sentence, wash, become a past tense, W-A-S-H, with ed. Second sentence, she studied in Siling Primary School 2 years ago. 2 years ago is also showing you that this event was already past. So the verb study becomes studied. S-T-U-D without Y, change it to I-E-D. We visited the museum in the last summer holiday. Last summer holiday shows you that this event was already past. So, visit become visited. Next, did you buy the ice cream just now? Just now is also an activity or an event that happened in the past. So, did is a past tense. The last sentence, they went to Australia few years ago. Few years ago, something that happened in the past. So, the verb go changed to went, past tense, W-E-N-T. So children, for past tense, they are regular verbs or irregular verbs. For regular verbs, we can add ed to the root form of the verb or just d if the root form already ends with an e. For example, play, play. Listen, listen. Finish, finish. Type, type. For irregular verbs, there are two kinds. Some irregular verbs look exactly like the root form. For example, cut, cut, put, put, hit, hit. So the past tense of these irregular verbs look still the same like the root form. Some other irregular verbs of the simple past tense are go become went, see become saw, build become built, B-U-I-L-T. Let's take a look more example of regular verbs and irregular verbs. For regular verbs over here, ask, ask, belong, belong, collect, collected, call, call, jump, jump, look, look, plan, plan, help, help, open, open, and ended. You can see that these regular verbs, we add ed behind the verb for past tense. How about irregular verbs? Let's take a look. Is become was, are become were, do or does become did, have or has become had, eat, ate, take, took, go, went, make, made, swim, swam, speak, spoke. So do you remember all these regular verbs and irregular verbs with the past tense? Do remember this simple past tense because it will help you to make correct sentences. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask or leave your comment here. Teacher Dolphin will be happy to help you with it. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and like Teacher Dolphin Facebook page and YouTube channel. See you again. Goodbye.